Methods of collection of data. Basically, there are two main ways in which we can collect data or information for any statistical query or inquiry. They are census method, or which is also known as the complete enumeration survey, and number 2, the sampling method. So let us first understand and learn about the census method, or which is also known as the population. So what is census actually? What does census mean? Under the census method, data are collected for each and every unit of the investigation. So this method is also known as the method of complete enumeration. So census is a method in which each and every unit of the population is reached and then the data are being collected. For example, in case of India, when we do the population survey, a census population is done every 10 years in our country. The last census was done in 2011 and it was supposed in 2021 to be again performed, but due to the coronavirus outbreak it has not been done yet. So in every 10 years our India goes to each and every household to understand the number of children adult in that household. Now this method in which where each and every unit of the population is enumerated is known as the method of census. So in the field of any statistical inquiry, there may be persons, households, items, shops, factories, etc. The aggregate of all such similar units under investigation is called census or population or an universe. For example, if we have to conduct the survey about the workers of a factory, then all the workers of that factory will constitute a population. Or in case of our college, if all the students of our college of each section and each class will make up the population of our college. The demographic data in India are obtained by census method, which is carried out once in every 10 years. Now, what is a universe or a population? A universe may be finite or infinite. The universe is said to be finite when the number of items under study can be known, that is countable. On the other hand, a universe is infinite when the number of items included in it are unlimited and innumerable. For example, we cannot count the number of stars in the sky, but if we want, we can find out the number of workers in a particular factory.